What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Today I'm at different shed and we are installing B16 turbo.
Yes.
Well, it's already B16, it will be turbo now. So Evaldas is working now on turbo. He will put that on manifold and I am gonna now to remove AC. So see you. Okay, so this is our turbo and we will lock our gate in closed position as we will use external one. We will use a longer stud to do that. In a moment you will see that. So what's up? I think everything. I think now it's almost mounted. No? Oh, let's see.
A little bit reworked.
Okay. A little bit customizations. A little slam of the head and it's done. So I think I should rush, right? Okay,
Yes.
stop filming and let's get back to work. Okay, so now AC is removed, as you can see. Next, to remove exhaust system, exhaust manifold, and act as it will be brand new custom exhaust system. Oh, lots of dirt. So first I will try to remove those. Then lamp the sensor up there and we'll move down there. So let's get to work. So we are in
Almost.
measuring fitting. It looks okay, I think, but this thing is so close to power steering, really close.
But okay.
But okay, it's not touching, so it's okay. So what do you think? What next?
Downpipe measuring.
Okay. Cut, weld. Okay, folks, I think that's a wrap for today. We will be back tomorrow, hopefully. This did a great job. He welded quite a lot. Now we are trying to figure out what size air filter we should mount. At the moment, it looks like this. Almost everything is inside. We will still have some kind of welding to do, but nothing too much. And also we will have to install Apex boost controller. We are still looking for options where to install it. We'll show it anyway in the next episode.